Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use an XLR mic. An XLR mic is different from a USB mic, which is much easier to use because it comes with a USB cable and you plug in the USB cable directly into the computer or the laptop and you're good to go. But an XLR mic is different. So let me show you how it's different and how it works. So this is how an XLR mic looks like. It generally has better sound quality. And here it looks like on the bottom. And it comes with a cable called XLR cable, which has two ends, a male and a female. So you connect one end with a mic, and how about the other end? So the other end, we have two options. Either we can use a power supply called a phantom power supply, because this mic needs a power supply to work. Or the second option is we can use an audio interface. I will show you both these options one by one. So let's start with the power supply. So here we have a power supply, and this is how it looks like. So here goes an input and output, and here goes the AC adapter, and on the other side we have an on and off button and a power indicator. So what you will do, you will connect the other end into the input, and for the output we need another cable which looks like this. So it's got one end is like that, and the other end we have an audio. So one end goes here, the other end will go into the computer or laptop, into the audio jack, and then finally we need the power source. So this is actually the adapter. So plug in the adapter, and once everything is connected, you turn the power button on and you're good to go. So that was one option. The second option is we use an audio interface. So here I have an audio interface. This looks like this. It's got the mic gain button on the top, and we have an on and off button. You can use a second source as well, but I'm just talking about one source. So how to use this? So here we have our mic, which is connected with the XLR cable, and there's the other end of the cable. So this other end will go in the mic line 1. And on the back, so we got another cable. So one end will go in this USB, and the other end will go, which is a USB pin that will go into the computer. And finally you turn it on and you are ready to go. So this button, which is a gain, which you can use it to increase your volume. So it's very easy and very convenient. You can increase or decrease. So the only thing is, if you increase this too much, you will have much of background noise, but obviously you will increase your sound as well. So you can see what is the best level for you. So these are the two options to use an XLR mic. Hopefully you find it easier and you'll be able to understand how to use an XLR mic. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thank you very much. Bye.